Welcome back to the System Design series. In this video, we will cover the system design methodology. These are a set of activities we should perform in order to understand, analyze, and build the design of our system. We can define system design as an activity that reduces the gap between the problem and the existing system. Now let's ask the question, what is the problem that we are referring here? Simply, the problem refers to the set of requirements that we have received from stakeholders. That is what we want a system to achieve. Now, the existing system does not behave and support the new ask. So there's a gap between the problem and the existing system that we have. Our goal is to fill this gap, and for that, we should create the system design followed by its implementation. In order to better understand this concept, let's take a hypothetical example. Let's say we have an existing system. It's a retail e-commerce website, and our customers can submit orders online. One of the components of the system is the email service. The email service sends out email to a customer when the order is placed on the website. Our problem is that upon placing the order, we want to notify the customer real time by sending them the order confirmation to the registered mobile. So this feature will enhance the customer experience, and this is the new system that we want to build. As you see, there's a gap between the problem statement and the existing system. The question is, how do we fulfill this gap between the problem and the existing system? The answer is that we perform the system design activity and build our system accordingly. The system design will outline how we should modify the existing components in order to build the ability for us to send notification in real time. Let's look into another concept, the design goals. During the process of analyzing the requirements, design goals must be identified. The design goals describe the important system qualities of the system that we must focus on. Further, it lays out the values against which we should evaluate our design decisions. For example, if a design goal states that a system should be performant, then we may choose some sort of a caching service to reduce the response time. Some design goals will come right out from the non-functional requirements, while the others must be captured from the client during requirement gathering. Now let's look at some of the design goals that we may consider for our system. Each of these design goals triggers a set of questions that we need to answer for our system. Based on responses for these questions, we would decide whether a particular design goal should be in consideration or not. Now let's take a look at some of the design goals that we may consider for our system. Portability. How portable our system should be. Should we design our apps in such a way that it can run on the Android platform as well as the iOS? Performance. What should be the throughput rate for our system? How fast should it respond to requests? Durability. Does our app store data? Does that data need to survive in case of the underlying database crashes? Reliability. How reliable should our system be? Should our system run 100% all the time? Scalability. How much should our system scale as the incoming traffic or the workload increases? How easily can we adjust or tune a system to meet the demand? Maintainability. How easily can we maintain our services? What kind of effort is involved in keeping the service up and going? As you see, these were some of the examples of design goals that we may consider for our system. The next goal is to create a design that addresses all of such goals. This concludes this video. Please subscribe for updates and provide your comments below so that we can improve this series. Also, the link for the online class has been provided in the description below. Please sign up. Thank you and see you next time.